Welcome to the video on the Extropy Engine, architecting global order through the substrate of entropy reduction. The substrate of reality illustrates the continuous battle between entropy and order. Human activity is valuable only if it acts as a verifiable local entropy reduction, pushing back against the second law of thermodynamics. To ensure unshakable scalability, the system is anchored to undeniable physical constants. Unlike fragile human calendars, the hydrogen hyperfine transition frequency provides anti-fragile, continuous temporal mechanics for planetary infrastructure. The invisible vanguard of data involves passive absorption of raw data from sensors, binding this data as immutable evidence vertices to a directed acyclic graph, or DAG, and then flowing this raw epistemic work upward for validation. Automated apps act as digital alchemists, continuously distilling order from noise. They calculate precise entropy reduction markers, known as delta S, from various unrefined data streams without requiring manual logging. Sovereign convergence requires multiple independent, sovereign participants to converge on the exact same causal event to mint verifiable order. A single node can propose a claim, but truth is crystallized through convergence, with no central trust authorities required. Radical transparency. Zero trust involves 3 steps: claim generation, signal flow blind slicing to match tasks to independent validators, and verification. This framework maintains absolute transparency while rigorously verifying contributions. The automated harvest uses the core XP formula, where experience points are calculated based on factors like entropy reduction and falsifiability weight. Smart contracts execute the logic of reality, automating rewards based on physics-based accounting. The extropic game transmutes greed into global order. Unlike the legacy game, self-interest strictly requires measurable entropy reduction. Contribution becomes the Nash dominant strategy, aligning personal interest with collective planetary survival. Decentralized fractal autonomous organizations, or DFAOs, act as specialization layers. They have governance layers for local weighting, use a shared DAG context for structural legibility, and rely on external validation via signal flow to prevent echo chambers. Infinite scalability via nesting is achieved through a scale-invariant structure. From an individual's DAG to a multiplanetary colony, the identical vertex structure and confirmation weight propagation operates flawlessly. The system maps vast domains, cognitive, biological, engineering, and social, onto a unified coordination layer. This bridges the domains of reality using the universal, physical language of entropy. The framework acts as layer 0, the ultimate receptacle. External frameworks can be imported as rule modules, running as local weighting policies on the extropic substrate, thereby eliminating competition between philosophical models. The extropic substrate represents an evolutionary leap, moving from fragile legacy systems that rely on measurement failure to a demonstrably mathematical upgrade for civilizational architecture, centered on entropy reduction and verifiable outcomes. The substrate is built, sensors are active, and the math is verifiable. The only remaining variable is the migration of nodes. Bring your data, join the mesh, and build the future.